Nora, are you excited? We're about to have a new friend in the backyard. Here it is, the LANDROID from WORX. This is a robot mower. I spend so much time mowing or working on the yard that I was like, I'm gonna save up this year and make it possible for Nora to have a little robot friend outside. What do you think, Nora? Think this is gonna be cool? I hope we have time to set this up. Oh boy, this is where our lives get better. First time I mowed a lawn, I was like, never again. One day, I'm gonna have a robot mower and I'll never do it again. 27 years later, we're about ready. Here it is. Oh, that's cute. That's so cool. This is gonna be life-changing. Think about it. If you mow an hour a week, if you're working that hour, you're gonna have this paid off real quick. Let's go find a spot for it. We can do it here. There we go. Didn't want to have to mow that little spot. So now, see, can't mow underneath this. We have like an hour to run wire around the whole entire perimeter of the backyard. Wish us luck. Okay, pegging the boundary wire. Guess we don't need the music, huh? Okay, we already did that. Next. So, slight predicament. We ran out of stakes, so we weren't able to actually stake everything down. So we did half the yard. So I only have to mow half the yard until we get more stakes. I think we are pretty much ready to see if it works. That's the brand name. So yeah, guys, this lawnmower is, it might be water resistant, but it actually knows if it's raining or not. So it checks and it has like a moisture meter that it looks at first. It's like, is it wet? Nope. Cool, I can go mow. If it is, it waits. It's very intelligent. That's fancy. It says once you're all done, click the home button. I guess on first, and then the home button.
What is that little knob?
Oh, maybe the height of the grass. Yeah, it's the height. Close window to go charge. Back it up. Back. Is it gonna be like the Robo-Vac that just bounces off everything until it's done? Is it mowing? Is it? It's mowing. It's mowing. It's mowing. Let's see what happens when it gets to the fence, shall we? It should turn once it gets to here, unless we did it wrong. If it runs to the fence. Oh my God. It's staying on the guideline. That is so cool. It gets pretty close to the fence too. Every single time I mow, I have to weed whack anyways, so I already have to do the perimeter of the yard. So this isn't a big deal. I go out for 10 minutes and I do it versus an hour and a half. This is really cool. That is the coolest thing ever. I wonder how long it actually takes to mow the whole yard though. Guys, this is the proudest moment of my life. I have a pet lawnmower. I am so excited. Oh man. I did wait a little bit too long to set it up because I was waiting for it to come in. I didn't want to mow right before it came in. Wanted it to do its job. Will you stay back? You do not get around this thing, Missy. We're gonna schedule it to go out at a time that Nora's not out here. So that way there's no chance of the dogs being around it whatsoever. But how cool is that? God, our yard looks so bad. I'm just looking at our yard right now and there's so much we have to do still. And something as simple as this that can go out and mow for me will allow me to do so much more around the yard. Like I can actually, you know, pull weeds and plant things and take care of plants and do all these different things that I wasn't able to do before because I was spending all this time mowing and I work a ton. So if I can save an hour to 2 a week, this would be incredible. I did a good job. This is so cool. I wish we had more daytime and I wish we were able to like set it up fully, but man, this is so cool. Ah, there we go. Look at this thing go. I know we need tons of weed killer and everything else, but for now, our lawn will always be perfectly mowed. because every single morning it's gonna come out and mow for us. And we will have the perfect height backyard at all times. We still have to mow the front yard, but that's not that much. If you look, there's that little trail that it mowed from there over, and it's turned around, and it's gonna come back and get a little bit closer to the ladder, and then turn, because it's not gonna hit the ladder, and then go another direction. We're gonna finish it up tomorrow and then get things going so we can actually have a fully mowed lawn. Tomorrow it's scheduled to go out at 10 a.m. and mow half the yard that we sectioned off. So we'll check back in and show you guys how it's working. If you're interested in checking it out, we do have a link in the description that you can click. But anyways, guys, that is it for me today. Hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video, but of course, we'll see you next time. See ya.